Namaste, my dear brothers and sisters of this planet. I am Sri Arjun. Today, I will discuss very precisely genetic correction, DNA correction, and the role of Sat technology. What is genetic correction? Why genetic correction? Why it is needed to correct the DNA structure? Why? See, due to the virtue of thermodynamics, those who have read thermodynamics, laws of thermodynamics, they can understand better. By the virtue of thermodynamics, the living systems on this planet can extend the lifespan. How I am telling you? How? By the virtue of thermodynamics, these living systems on this planet available now can create a perfect orderliness, can create a perfect state of constant orderliness in the face of increasing disorder in the environment. That is to be understood. Day in and day after, disorder in the environment is increasing. But the living system has the capability to create a constant state of orderliness. The God, the divine, has given the power, can create it by the laws of thermodynamics. And from that, it is very clear. Even the research shows that there are inherent fundamental tendency of immortality in the living systems. And this tendency of immortality is there in the DNA structure. Our DNA has the tendency of immortality. It is structured in that way, divinely structured. It contains the required intelligence and information to extend the lifespan of living creatures without any kind of disease or any kind of external threat of premature death. Scientifically, it is proven. And our ancient Vedic wisdom also advocated the same thing, that our human nervous systems has the capability to extend the lifespan without any kind of diseases or any kind of external threat of premature death, only by opening up the awareness to the laws of nature. Both science and Vedic wisdom genetic science and Vedic wisdom confirmed this tremendous power of genetic structure, DNA wisdom. Theoretically, there is no problem. Theoretically, our DNA can extend our lifespan, healthy lifespan, without any kind of threat, external threat. But where is the problem? Problem is huge number of errors are happening on the cellular level. This is the problem. Huge number of errors every day happening on the cellular level. And for this errors, information contained in the DNA structure cannot find its proper, perfect expression with its full value. If the information contained in the DNA structure is blocked, is not getting the proper way to express themselves, then cell cannot go through the division process, cannot divide itself. That's why regeneration process of the cell stopped, creating different kind of deadly diseases, aging process, and many things. So it is very clear that man cannot use the total potentiality of DNA structure. Why? There are huge number of errors occurring on the cells. Why this kind of errors are happening on the cells? Because there are wear and tear on our body. Why wear and tear on our body? Because there are internal and external stresses. Stress in every living being has internal and external stresses. That is the main and primary problem in the way of genetic expression, in the way of DNA full evolution. If human being can neutralize these internal stresses, and if they are able to defend the external stresses, then DNA will start its full action, supporting the human lifespan, extending the human lifespan to remarkable extent without any kind of diseases. Note this, without any kind of diseases or any kind of external threat of premature death. Our Sat technology is meant for that. Our Sat technology can induce, can produce a deeper restfulness in our nervous system. And with this deeper restfulness in our nervous system, we can conserve energy even up to the cellular level. And this conserved energy will help the cells and DNA to find its full expression, giving the human life a boost, a perfect boost, a perfect big push, extending the lifespan without any kind of diseases or without any kind of premature death. This is the right time to understand the value of such technology, understand the value of human life. There are tremendous change in environment, increasing rate of disorder in the environment. If you want to stop all kind of nonsense happening internally and externally, such technology is the only way. It is the gateway and only way available right now on this planet. Thank you. See you soon. Get tuned with us. Thank you.